Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Wigan to Bolton Railway Electrification Scheme. If you're new to the channel, this is a scheme I've been following for the past couple of years. I've got a full playlist of the videos, so if you want to look back on that and see how the scheme has developed, I'll leave a link in the top right hand corner now. The electrification is actually fully installed. Some of the trains are running as electric. The final piece that needs to be finished off is this footbridge, which is deep pit, and it's a listed structure. They've actually had to lift this bridge up so it clears the overhead line equipment. Now they're putting on some ramps at the side to finish it off. This is the northern side of the footbridge. I call this the Aspel side. See there, they've got the all-purpose ramp going down, but you've also got the option, if you are able to use them, of the steps going up as well. Now a nice little touch here, which I've got a bit of a better picture coming up of, we've used the original cobbles as well. Originally it went up with a ramp all the way up to the footbridge. That's now been replaced with the structure you can see there, but it's a nice touch to keep these cobbles as well. Just for reference, this is looking towards Hindley railway station. The bit that I've just filmed is on the left of the picture as you view it now. So let's move over to the Hindley side and have a look at that long ramp that you can see on the right hand side of the picture now. So this is the Hindley side. Those of you who know the area will know as this was originally a ramp anyway, but it was a much steeper gradient, and it was actually wooden plank stroke floorboards on it, which made it interesting going down in the wet on a BMX, trust me. So it's a lot less of a gradient now, and it also is a lot longer, so it makes it better for using for everybody. So this is looking towards Inley railway station again. See there the piers that the ramp are going to be sat on are getting established, so it's going to be quite a long ramp down. And I think looking at it, it is going to do a U-turn roughly there and then come back on itself, because the original entrance to the bridge is by a brick wall that is coming up in the bottom right hand corner of the picture now. And that's where the ramp originally went up, but on the other side of that brick wall, if that makes sense. So looking towards the Wigan direction here, you can see how much longer the ramp on the Inley side is compared to the ramp on the Aspel side. Just under the bridge as well, there's another section of the ramp being ready to be installed, which you'll see on the overhead shot that I'm going to do now. So we'll keep an eye on the project over the next few months. If you haven't checked out the playlist or any of the other projects that I've covered, do have a quick look on the channel. Thanks again for watching on this, and I will catch you on the next video.